Hey everyone, this is Phil McCracken. Today I am gonna show you a trick. You are gonna be able to crack fill parking lots for free. And this is how you do it. This is the trick, everyone. What you do, you find a local building site that's doing a roof, and you dig out these cans of extra tar that they have, and I'm gonna show you how to make some money, get that paycheck today. So this trick that I'm showing you is not for the experts. This is for the new guys. The experts already know this shit, but they don't want to teach you this. This is how you're gonna make a lot of money. I got my car that I found in a dumpster. I have toilet paper, and I have the piece of wood that I found. Let me show you the trick here. We're gonna fill this crack right here, but I tell you what, you treat every crack the same. That's why you do with toilet paper. No matter how big the crack is, how small the crack is, you always want to wipe from front to back. See that? Dirty, not clean enough yet. Mama always told me, don't stop till it's clean. Make sure that's nice and clean. Once you're nice and clean and the toilet paper's white again, you're good. You throw that in the weeds. You don't need that shit anymore. It's nasty. So what you do, we get this tar that you found, and you get a good glob of that. You fill this crack right here. See this? The nice thing about this is that it gets hard right away. It's gonna be so hard, you can have traffic on it right away. The thing is, I just spent a lot of time cleaning the crack, so I'm gonna have a good quality product here. You can charge a premium for this. So you do that in the crack. You don't need that. That's customers, let them have it. But I'll show you how fast this sets up. Nobody realizes this trick. This shit, look at that. It doesn't even track. It doesn't track at all. Oh. That might have been the wrong stuff. But anyways, that's the only trick I'm gonna show you today. But main thing is, clean your crack.